Understanding the phrase, Spirit's Call, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, Spirit's Call. This is a fascinating phrase that pops up in various contexts in English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, Spirit's Call, is not a common everyday expression, but it carries a deep and evocative meaning. It generally refers to a deep, inner urge or calling that feels almost spiritual or profound in nature. This calling is not just any regular desire or wish. It's something that resonates deeply with one's innermost feelings and beliefs. To better understand Spirit's Call, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal growth. Someone might say they're following their spirit's call when they make a significant life change that aligns with their inner beliefs or passions. 2. Artistic expression. An artist might describe the inspiration for their work as a spirit's call, indicating a deep, almost mystical source of creativity. 3. Career choices. Choosing a career path that is more fulfilling than lucrative can also be described as following one's spirit's call. Spirit's call often carries a sense of mysticism and depth. It's a phrase that transcends mere physical or material desires. In literature and movies, this phrase is used to depict characters who are motivated by profound, intangible forces. Understanding this can add a layer of depth to your interpretation of English literature and media. When using this phrase in conversation, it's important to use it sparingly and in contexts that truly warrant its depth. Respect its weight and meaning. It's not a phrase for casual or trivial situations. Connect it with personal experiences or deep aspirations when sharing your stories or listening to others. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, Spirit's Call, and how it can be used in English. It's a beautiful expression that connects with the deeper aspects of life and personal journeys. Keep exploring such phrases, and you'll find your English becoming richer and more expressive. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.